we have a, I don't know if you can see that, but we got, I do have to replace this spring because I have a better one and I'm going to put on it. Yeah. Rusty this one. Yeah, there's not much. I think the tires need some air, but yeah, and I think I need to adjust this tension screw because I think it's a little too loose. But yeah, right. Hope you can see that. So we got our handy dandy Allen wrench sandwich here, and I think it's just the bottom bracket that's loose. So sweet. It's nice and stable again. Yeah. All right. Found the spring, and I need to get the old one off. So that was concerningly loose. Yep. All right. There we go. All right. The other one. Same thing. Yeah, that's one. Easy. What's that swing? Right. Yep. Yeah. Tell me. Put the bolts in. This one sucks too. Someone. We lost. Right there. Okay. Yes. All right. We got it. Now we can put these bolts back in. The string is all set. Brakes work.